Huskus here with another Huskus video. Let's just say I had a busy day. I could just go, like there's no tomorrow. Go, like there's no tomorrow. I am so glad that was not them, because you would be busted. Yeah, if that was them just around the corner, you would be busted. Okay. Okay. Dad, if I don't answer, holler for me in the back, okay? Anyway, this is a Huskus video. Hang on, I'm just kidding. Another Huskus video with me, Huskus. This is Joe's dad. Anyway, this is cut, guys. This is cut. Thank you.